Viewer Assalamu alaikum. This is Elite School Al Miraj Campus Class 8 Unit 4. And the question is this is a long question. Elaborate major features of Pakistani society and culture. In this lecture we will discuss about the definition of culture and feature of Pakistani culture. You can see on the screen the culture is defined by Edward Tyler in such a words. Culture is related to all types of knowledge and arts, laws and beliefs, tradition and customs. It is also related to the thoughts and action of humans. So this is the basic definition of the culture. Now we will discuss about the features of culture. The first one is social value. Social values is related to the respect of the elder. We have respect for elder, love for young ones, love for women, our parents, our teacher. These all things come in the social value, which is an integral part of of Pakistani culture. The second one is food. Food is a major source to know the culture of any society. In Pakistan, there is 4 provinces, and all the provinces have different foods. Just like in Punjab and Sindh, vegetable, pulse, meat, and rice are favorite. In Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtoon, people eat meat and dry and fresh fruits, wheat, barley, and rice. For drinking, people prefer milk and lassi. In Punjab, in Balochistan, and Khyber Pakhtoon, people prefer green tea ya kahwa. The third one is religious uniformity. When saints spread Islam in the subcontinent, many people embrace Islam. At the present time, there is religious uniformity in Pakistan. Pakistan most important recognition in Islam is Islam. Even while there are regional, provincial, lingual, racial, and other bases, they give comparatively little importance to caste and creed, color and race, and regional classes. The Constitution of Pakistan gives complete protection to the minorities along with religion uniformity. In Pakistan, there is religion tolerance as well. So religion uniformity means that all the religion are given equal right. Even the minority can practice their religion freely and easily in everywhere in Pakistan. The fourth heading is mixed culture. In Pakistan, there are 4 provinces and they are different natures, but the culture are intermingled or mixed in such a way that it seems that they are one nation. The dresses of all the dresses in all the provinces are also different. In Punjab, men wear dhoti kurta, shalwar kameez and turbans. Women like to wear dupatta, shalwar and kurta. In urban areas, shalwar kameez, pants and coat, sherwani and waistcoat are preferred. A baggy shalwar with many folds is preferred in Balochistan, Khyber Pakhtoon and Sindh. Women like to wear embroidered cloth. On the occasion of wedding, the bridal dresses are very beautiful. So these are the dresses mostly wears in different provinces of Punjab. But the common dress is shalwar kameez, which is common in all the provinces. The sixth one is the fair and urs. Pakistani culture is famous due to its fairs and urses. We have Hazrat Fariduddin Ganj Hazrat Shah Rukn Alam Multan, Hazrat Bahauddin Zikriya, Hazrat Madulal Hussain Mela Jaraga, Hazrat Shah Shams Tabriz. So we celebrate different fairs and different tours in different time of the year. Sports also play a vital role to know the culture of the any society. In Pakistan, the Pakistani team of cricket, hockey, squash, etc. are world famous. The tournament of different sports are held in district, divisional, provincial and national level. Polo is extremely popular in Gilgit and northern area. So in different provinces of Pakistan, there are different sports which are played there. The national sports of Pakistan is hockey. Religious festival. There are number of religious festival throughout the year in Pakistan. The common one are Eid ul-Fitr, Eid ul-Azha, Eid Miladul Nabi, Shab-e Miraj, Yom Ashura, which is celebrated on the month, which celebrated on the 9th and 10th of Muharram. Custom and traditions play a very vital role to understand the culture of any society. In Pakistan, for example, when the Muslim child born, The azan is recited in her ear. So he realized that due to the blessing of Allah Almighty, he is born into a Muslim family. When a Muslim passed away, relative, nears, and dear ones and acquaintances gather at the deceased house after namaz janaza. The deceased is buried for Isale Sawab. Quran Khani is organized. In Pakistan, all minorities have the right to observe the custom of marriage, death, etc. according to their religion. The 10th one is different art. Different art. Some important building of Pakistan which are an attraction for tourists, such as Mausoleum of Qaid-e-Azam in Karachi, Al-Falah Building, Bashai Mosque, Qaid-e-Azam Residential Building in Ziyarat, Qila of Qillat in Qillat. Handicraft have great importance in Pakistan. Men and women give importance to the handicraft. They also participate in making handicraft, just like art of painting in Pakistan is very unique. It is considered Pakistan's identity. In the arts of calligraphy, famous calligraphers in Pakistan have created unrivaled masterpieces. Work of art of painting and calligraphy belong to Mughal times and modern time are displayed in Lahore Museum and Shahi Kila. So this is the culture and the major feature of Pakistani culture. I have shortened this question to make the student is to learn these heading easily. Thank you very much.